Alright guys, welcome to another review, and I'm doing them on my motorbikes, and they are really cool, and let's get on with this. Alright guys, so firstly we have Brian Dungy's KTM. It's 2-stroke, and it has little springs, and it has a mudguard, and it has another mudguard at the back, and it's super fast. And let's move on to the next bike. Alright guys, next, we have the Suzuki RM250 and big wheel, 2-stroke. Has a nice this, and I like it because it can trials, look. And let's move on to the next bike. Alright guys, next up we have the Field Runner. It's got full suspension, it's got suspension at the front, and it's got suspension at the back. And it's 2-stroke. It's got a nice little 15 there. And it goes meow, 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 meow. And I'll show you the next bike. Alright guys, this is the next bike. And it's a Kawasaki Ninja. It's 4-stroke. It's got nice turning. It's got back suspension. And let's move on to the next road bike. So the final bike, guys, is the GXSR, and it's Suzuki, and it's really cool. It's 4-stroke, and it has back suspension, and that's for all, guys. And I'll see you for the next video. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. Bye.